long time no see. Look what I saw on my walk today with Ramsey. And then I went back with Ricky and we picked him up. Here we go. Ready? You guys, 2 Dyson, whatever they're called, vacuums, Animal Plus and whatever. Now, they look like they've been left out in the rain, but let's clean these 2 Dysons. Woo! Dyson ball. That's what I was looking for. Dyson ball. Okay, so I think that I need to go on TikTok and look up how to clean the Dyson Air because I'm getting confused. So let me just take 2 minutes and let's do that. So everybody looks like they're not able to take this part out. So I'm just going to keep vacuuming this part. All right, you guys, this is the moment of truth. I'm going to plug it in. Here we go. Did you fucking hear that? Okay, let's look at those carpet lines. Oh my God. Hell yeah, brother. That's incredible. Oh shit. Okay, here's my real consensus. Obviously not sponsored since I found them for free. It does a wonderful job at like shag rugs. Love it. Amazing. Now the short carpets in the room where there's areas of high impact, not the best. It does better on real carpet or like, you know, carpet that's like behind things that hasn't been like walked on a bunch. So I still have my Auric, which I got also for 15 bucks. I just have very good vacuum luck. So I still love it. It's great on the rug. And I have not been able to really clean that rug, so I'm really happy about that. And then I'm going to give the other one to Sammy. So that's pretty much the game plan. Thanks for watching me clean my vacuum. And see you in the next clip.